Hi guys, this is Robert, and this is the file that I've been talking to y'all about. Now, real quick, let me go to the disclaimer. All the names, addresses, places, people, etc., is made up, so any similarity is just a coincidence. Okay, so let me give you a quick tour. And before the tour, it is 11:48. I have 12 minutes before showing you what I want to show. And of course, I have it set up to expire here in about 12 minutes. So the tour. This is the data input sheet. It has the dates for the LOI, which of course are grayed out after the other two are filled out. Right below it is the PSA, the purchase and sale agreement, and right below it is the COVID-19 addendum. Okay, so that is what makes up the data entry page, the three of them, right? The three documents. Then we have the LOI, which of course has all the variables clearly identified if it were empty. We have the PSA, and we also have it in legal size. We have the termination of real estate purchase contract, and the other legal document. Oops, that was copy to paste. The other legal document, of course, is the COVID-19 addendum, right? It hasn't been changed so far. And the support documents, we have due diligence, which of course the errors here are not reflected anywhere. They'll just reflect it in their twin, so to speak, Schedule 1, which, by the way, Schedule 1 is part of the LOI, right? They're Schedule 1. Anyway, the, oh yeah, the last one is the index, right? The index for the PSA, because a lot of people just sign things that their attorney wrote and they have no idea what happens. So let's see, let's go back to dates. And of course, as you said, maybe you noticed what this is called. It's the errors, because in this file, with well, in any file, but this one is to show uh, about half of the 2,400 possible errors that happen in this page. Okay, so if, for example, we want to add the COVID addendum. We have our closing date is 22 March. Let's give it a week. 2027 is 29. So 329. And of course, this increases, and the LOI in the closing date here also increases. And of course, in the due diligence, it also increases to the new date. So that's the general gist. And all we have to wait is, let me see, how much longer? 4 more minutes. What else can I tell you in 4 more minutes? Oh yeah. Wait. The templates. I'd already opened the templates, I think. Maybe not. This is another, there are 8 templates and they're all macros enabled. And of course, the file is macros enabled. So that's where the problem comes in as far as emailing it. So that's why I'm looking for a different alternative to actually get it into the hands of the client. Now let's close that. Come back here. Okay. And the purpose of this, of course, oh yeah, if I put a next, then this is like the status bar of the individual items, and the same here. And it's terminated. It's terminated just for grins. 320. Right, so the purchase is terminated, everything. The documents also reflected that the purchaser was terminated, what have you. So instead of that, let's go to a happy new. Let's say we actually close the deal, which is the point, of course. 329, the new date. Okay, so now it is closed, and of course, the documents also reflect that. Didn't quite get all over there. No shit. Well, anyway, I still haven't cleared this out. This is just to show you what I want. So let's just patiently wait. Oh yeah, everything is grayed out whenever an entry is made in the COVID addendum. So let's take that back. Let's delete that. There we go. And if we just delete this in the addendum, then we go back. The green cells do not accept text, just like any legal contract. The blue cells do. And of course, there is a particular order to fill in the day's number. Any day's number that's missing, well, you don't get a PSA, basically. And that is also why the minute that the PSA gets filled out, everything in the LOI is grayed out as well. So let's see what time it is now. One more minute. One more minute. What else can I show you in 1 minute? We already saw the due diligence, right? We saw that it's tied into Schedule 1, right? They say, okay, you have one error in due diligence, and due diligence says one error here, so let's make an error in Schedule 1 as well. Let's make an error here. And then, of course, due diligence also reflects that there's an error, and the documents as well are telling that okay, this is ready. The amounts in cap, you can change them from caps. What we have is here the dollar amounts, right? So we just delete this, and there it is. That's what happens when it expires, right? You have no choice. It's dead. And here it sends you to the website. Actually, get the program. So that's what I want to achieve, and I'll be in touch with you all here today or tomorrow to see what solutions can be. Okay, the plan one last time is to send this 10-day demo to the client. They buy it, and then they have 10 days after that to get a discount to buy the whole program. Okay? Thank you guys. Bye.